Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'll be going over how to create videos from visuals to video in Pictory. So let's get started. To discover the magic of turning visuals into captivating videos using Pictory's visual to video feature, Step 1. Add your files from your computer. Organize them into your desired sequence. Watch as your files come together, forming a dynamic storyboard. Click Proceed to enter the world of templates. Style your video with a chosen template. Customize your video further. Select a template aspect ratio and hit Continue. Behold the video storyboard, a masterpiece in the making. Add finishing touches and extra files as desired. You can now then transform your visuals into compelling videos effortlessly. That's it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you out and see you in the next video.